Clubhouse, as an invitation-only audio chat app launched less than a year ago, has caught the attention of tech industry bigshots like Tesla CEO Elon Musk and Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg. Once you're in, lets you start or listen into conversations on a whole host of topics, from tech to pro sports, parenting, black literature and so on. There are no posts, photos or videos, only people's profile pictures and their voices. Currently, the only way to get an invitation is to score one from someone already on Clubhouse. It's still in beta version, like Gmail was in its early days. If you don't know anyone who can invite you yet, you may not have to wait much longer. When Clubhouse first came out, new members only got 2 invitations. That number has now grown to 5, signaling that the app feels ready to broaden its audience. It was created by Silicon Valley entrepreneur Paul Davison, and a former Google engineer, Rohan Seth. The app made its debut last March, just as people were being ordered to stay at home to battle the pandemic and found themselves eager to talk to other people besides their family or roommates. The primary reason is probably that Musk and Zuckerberg recently made surprise appearances on Clubhouse. When 2 technology icons worth a combined $280 billion choose to use the same app to get their message out within a few days of each other, people tend to sit up and take notice. No, there are no pictures or videos in Clubhouse. Only profile pics for each user. Clubhouse is currently available on iOS and Android. It launched on iOS last year, and the company started a US-only Android rollout in early May. As of May 21st, it's available on Android worldwide, and downloads of the Android version crossed 1 million in less than 2 weeks. Clubhouse doesn't have an official logo icon. It has opted for an ever-rotating black and white portrait of a person, as its icon that appears on a smartphone screen. Each person is a real-life user of Clubhouse. Usually, it's someone who has had an important impact on the platform, or is at least someone Clubhouse believes has a deep understanding of what it is doing. Each icon lasts a few weeks and gets changed with a major app update. When you finally get access, the app offers a page full of conversational topics to follow, from sports to tech to world affairs to faith and on and on. In each, you'll find people interested in the same thing, and you can follow them. The more topics and people you follow, the more likely you are to get suggestions for a room that fits your desires. The current limit is 5,000 people per Clubhouse room. That 5K person limit can be turned off, however, at Clubhouse's discretion. Not necessarily. Anyone listening in can virtually raise a hand. It's up to the room's creator or moderator if they want to let you talk. Yes, Clubhouse is rolling out a monetization scheme for creators on iOS in the US. In partnership with payment processing firm named Stripe. It's not ad-based. Users can send an in-app payment to creators, and 100% of the money goes to them, with a processing fee going to Stripe. Previously, you had to send email to exit Clubhouse, but following user complaints, you can now deactivate your account by going to Settings, Account, Deactivate Account.